Be glad in it. Amen. Ladies, today is your day. Give yourselves a round of applause. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. So thank you all for those of you that wore your beautiful hats. We see you all over the church. We thank you, and we thank you all for coming out today. We are going to do a small presentation to you all for our mothers from the Women of Restoration, your women's ministry. Okay, so this is for our mothers.
Good morning, church.
Good morning.
My name is Faith, and I have a speech. I'm so amazed of how mothers accomplish the stuff they need to do, and I like how they put God in people's hearts and make them happy. So all I want to say to the mothers is that this makes you marvelous. Good morning, my name is Soraya Williams, and I have the O mothers. O stands for original. Even though I don't know our church mothers, I'm sure that they, from what I see, are the original mothers. What do I mean, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. They look as if they don't play. They look and seem to be the sweetest, but yet the toughest mothers in this church. I wouldn't want to make them mad. According to what I have heard, Pastor DJ say some of them may be packing right now. I hope that means a belt and nothing else. I can tell the mothers love the children because when they are singing, praise dancing, ushering, or doing anything on the program, they are the first to cheer us on. Sometimes they are standing or just waving their lap scarves in the air. Keep teaching and loving us, the youth, and we will continue to watch and learn from the original mothers, our church moms. Happy Mother's Day.
The T in Mother stands for tender. Today I'm going to be describing our mothers using the word tender as an acronym. T is for tough love. They might be hard on us, but it's for our good. E is for enjoying time together. We have so many fun memories and moments with our mothers. N is for natural beauty. Our mothers are beautiful, and they helped us become even more beautiful and taught us how to love ourselves. D is for dedicated. They dedicate our lives to us, even when it's not in their schedule. E is for encouraging. They always are telling us the right things to do, even when we don't listen, and push us to do our hardest and be the best we can be. And R is for reliable. We as children rely on our parents for so much.
A mother is a protector over their children, their hero. But our mom's dedication to being a part of our daily lives is what makes them a superhero.
The E, mother, stands for eloquent. To be fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. And now this is something I know our mothers display. You see, nowadays, my generation, we're quick to change words from like okay to okr. But Ephesians 4:29 says, do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen. It's very secure and safe to know that our beautiful mothers of St. Rest use their words as instruments of salvation with eloquence.
The R in mother stands for resilient. Able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Able to recoil or spring back into shape after bending, stretching, or being compressed. You're able to bounce back quickly when all the things that are coming against you. And and you teach us how to be Titus women. It says in Titus, likewise, teach the older women to be reverent in the way they live, not to be slanderers or addicted to much wine, but to teach what is good. Then they can urge the younger women to love their husbands and their children, to be self-controlled and pure, to be busy at home. If we busy at home, we don't gotta be busy nowhere else, right? To be kind, to be subject to their husbands, so that no one will have a negative word against God. Thank you, mothers.
Amen. I am the S in mothers. That's everybody. Everybody's a mother. Selfless, having little or no concern for oneself, especially with regards to fame, position, money, and you're very unselfish. Yes. So I do have I have an acrostic, which is I use acronym. S, sacrifices everything to protect and care for her loved ones. E, every day is a new day filled with love for one another. L, lovely, lively ladies. Faithful in casting her cares on Jesus because he cares for you. L, living daily to please her Father in heaven and not worried about what others think. E, everyone puts everyone needs above her own. F, smiling. Look at Mother Yates, smiling. Ear to ear every time they see their baby. How you doing, baby? F, Savior, our Lord Jesus Christ, was the greatest example of what it means to be selfless. By giving his life, so whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. Happy Mother's Day, mothers. We love you.
And ladies, we know you know all 66 books of the Bible by memory at this point, but we just wanted to remind you that charm is deceitful and beauty is vain, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. This morning, we tip our hats to you ladies. And if everyone in the audience can please stand as we honor our senior mothers on this Mother's Day 2009. The ladies of St. Francis Baptist Church wish you all a happy, blessed, and prosperous Mother's Day. Thank you. And happy Mother's Day to you all too. Thank you.
This gift belongs to my mom, Lady Jessica Kramer.
Lady Jess, we just wanted to honor you as the First Lady of the church. You're an amazing mother, you're an amazing friend, you're an amazing leader, and we just pray that God continues to bless you and that Pastor DJ blesses you real good today on this Mother's Day. We love you.
Good morning, St. Grace. When she was coming to do the offering scripture, the mothers, they also got a little purple bag today with a very special made lap scarf in it. All of you know my cousin, Ivania, she's not able to be here, But about 2 or 3 months ago, she ordered some special scarves that she wanted to give to the mothers. And they're engraved as a special woman of God. And so that is from my cousin, Devonia, there it is right there, to the mothers of St. Grace.